Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are coming to you live from the Voco Marbella. We're gonna grab some breakfast and then we're head out to the Bana Hills Golf Course for 18. I wanted to show you a little bit about breakfast here at the Voco Marbella. Bacons, all you can eat. Order your omelets. They also, morning. They also provide you with eggs Benedict on request, yogurts and fruits, fresh juice, baked beans. You can make your own pho, your traditional chickens, fishes, porks, and beefs. And then we round over here to savory and sweet corner. A little bit of honey, some donuts, pre-made chia pudding yogurts. I love it here. They have such good food. The chef Igor is so amazing. And so I'm just gonna have a little coffee.
Can you
Wait, thank you. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
And then off to the golf course. So let's enjoy our coffee. We're having trouble with the lid, as always. I swear, these lids never want to go on the cups. So we've just arrived here at Bana Hills. My caddy is name?
My name is V. Nice to meet
V.
you. Hi.
Let's go to the driving range.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Righty, let's have a look here. How beautiful. All right, folks, welcome to Bana Hills. This place is absolutely beautiful. I've rented a nice set of clubs, and we're doing 18 today. Let's see how we do. That's the sound you're looking for. We'll do one more, just to give you that nice ching ching chaka ching-a-ling.
Another.
Yeah? Okay. I don't want... I think it's salvageable. Stop! A lot of it. Okay. Oh, get some effort. Go, go. Oh.
Good. What's up?
Vietnam Airlines.
Wow, good on. Very good.
Yeah, it's on the green.
Yeah. High five. Yeah.
Bana Hills, hole 4, par 5. Putting for par. Break. Oh. Just a kiss.
Downhill.
Low. Downhill.
Boogie.
I'm back.
Okay.
Oh.
The roll, baby.
Yeah. Okay. Get over that bunker.
Good.
It's okay.
What's up? Lovely.
Okay, you say so.
Turn, 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 turn. Oh, nice. Okay.
Ooh. Oh, don't you dare.
Happened. Oh, that's wet.
Yeah.
Bone.
Maybe a good bounce. Not enough. You mean left side, right?
Okay. What's up?
Par 3, hole in 1 pays 1,000 cash on hand. What happened? Parked me in the sunshine. Well, folks, we've accomplished 9. How am I doing? V, come talk to the camera. Tell everybody
Hi.
hello.
Hi, everybody.
How am I doing?
375.
375?
Yeah.
First beer of the day right here on hole 9. It looks like I'm averaging a double bogey.
Yeah.
Average double bogey?
Yes. Double bogey.
Yeah. So we'll fine tune it and we'll start getting some pars and we'll end the day with a bogue. But when you're in Vietnam, it's like 1,000,000 degrees out here. And so you got to put your little towel in the ice bucket and then wear it to keep you cool. See ya. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here on the 9th hole. We are lying 2, par 4. So we're gonna try to get on the green here with a 9. We're about 110 yards out. So let's see what we got here. Oh, we're in the dirt. All right, so after 9, we're averaging a double bogue. So we got to sharpen our sword here and get focused. We'll see you on hole 10, folks.
What's
Lefty,
up?
lefty, lefty.
Good.
Nice. Oh my fucking God. Oh my gosh, I'm topping it.
What's up?
Sit down. Too far? I don't think you're on. You win some, you lose some, guys. Come on in here, V. Sometimes you just need to get yourself some chicken pad thai. Hole 16, par 3, 150 yards. If we get a hole in one, we get 4 nights stay at the Sun World. Not a hole in one, but it's going to be on the green. Oh! Or the red tee, this one. Oh, you're recording. Nope. There it is.
Looks good. Hit it back. Hit it. Oh, jeez.
Oh, bounced over it.
See?
Yep, all good.
We're good.
Here we are, on in 2, about to bird dog this hole for y'all. Hole 16, you're telling me right to left
Yes.
and little hill? All right, birdie. Soft?
Yeah.
Too soft.
4-5.
For par?
Yep. What's up? So lovely.
That was beautiful, wasn't it? Once in a while, you hit it right where you want it to go. Here we are, folks. 18th hole, second hit. Get the 7-iron to go 160. Ah, it's short.
Not bad.
Come on, baby. Have a wide green.
Two power. Okay, not bad.
Yes, no good. The line was on.
All right, take it.